Hello everyone, welcome here. Myself Sekhar Metla, and today you would like to know top trending technologies in 2023. Yes, we would like to see with the help of Chatgpt these software technologies very importantly to learn and grow your career. If you are watching first time this video lecture from this channel, please do subscribe and support us. With the help of Chatgpt, I am trying to getting top software technologies in 2023. Yes, these technologies just I'm trying to getting and know using ChatGPT. Yes, this AI is initiated. Artificial intelligence is also predicting like AI model what it is saying that I don't have access to future information. So with the help of 2021 limited, it's going to be making like a top software technologies in 2023. It is going to be providing emerging technologies. So here almost like a 5 technologies it is given us a great information. One is artificial intelligence, machine learning, AI tools, and the second one blockchain. Yes, blockchain gaining popularity in the decentralized and secure nature in 2023, and cloud computing. So cloud computing, you know, that game changer of the software industry, where all the domains and environment of public hosting environments are vastly changed in this area of making popular choice of many organizations. Internet of Things, these are gaining traction of information and focusing to the users, like making sensors and devices controlling and creating an opportunities of business greater and gathering data and analysis purpose in IoT and virtual and augmented reality. Yes, virtual and augmented reality becoming increasingly popular in industry such as gaming, education, healthcare, and many more. So overall, in like impact of these technologies are giving a vast future in like from now and further future. If you feel this video lecture is helping you to know and understanding and choosing your career, please do subscribe for us for more interesting videos. Thank you.